Very good afternoon to all of you, my students. Now I am going to take mock interview of one of my working professional student. He is currently working in a bank, and his interview is of Punjab and Sindh Bank Credit Officer, Credit Manager, Scale 2. Okay, so just try to listen the mock interview. If you are interested for any upcoming promotional exam, Scale 2, Scale 3 interview, Super 50 is famous for interviews of regulatory body, insurance sector and promotional exam. My number is 7503235358. Okay, Akhil, first of all, tell me, you are basically from Kerala.
Yes, sir.
At which place?
I'm from Wayanad, sir.
Wayanad. Okay, you know that this job profile we will posted you anywhere in India.
Yes, sir, I know.
Because nowadays in Kerala there is a flood situation and it is very difficult to survive there. Okay, suppose same type of situation you will find in anywhere, then how will you enhance the business of a branch?
Sir, actually, the flood and the other calamities can be actually used in such another way that actually we can go for another TPP products. Like we can cross sell the insurance so that the flood affected areas we can charge nominal, not a nominal fees, but a little extra fees, and we can cross sell our insurance product so that actually our business will enhance and our TPP products also will go up.
Third party products.
Yes, yes.
Good. Briefly introduce yourself, Akhil.
So, I'm Akhil, and I'm having an experience of 9 years in banking and financial sector. And currently, I'm working as a network governance officer in South Indian Bank. I had done my MBA in finance from MG University, and I had done my degree from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham. Additionally, I have got my certified credit professional certificate and a project finance certificate from IABF. And I have done for the past 7 years. I dealt with credit appraisal and credit monitoring also, sir.
Okay. Akhil, currently you are not in a credit profile, but earlier you have the experience. So till now, what you have did in credit profile? What are the major things?
Sir, like I have done the accessing of credit, appraisal of credit, and post monitoring of credit.
Okay, please explain little bit. First, through the first phase.
The accessing of the credit means actually the sourcing of credit. Literally, I meant by meeting the clients or actually by sitting at the branch itself, we have accessed the credit. Means the sourcing of credit is done by us. Then the appraisal of the credit, whether it is working capital or whether it's a term loan or other private sector loans, we have done the appraisal of the credit. And then in South Indian Bank, we are sending this to our head office to get it sanctioned. And once the sanctioned, the post monitoring and the post sanction credit and the monitoring of the accounts is done from the branch itself, and it's done by a credit officer itself.
Okay, tell me the 5 C's of credit.
Sir, it is actually capital, condition, capacity, creditworthiness, and collateral and conditions, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. Character, capacity, capital. Okay, collateral and conditions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know about the financial statement analysis because you are MBA also.
Yes, sir. I know about financial statement analysis, but I'm not very much thorough about it.
Okay, no issue. What is credit risk assessment?
Sir, credit risk assessment is actually the credit risk is literally the risk in which actually the borrower may not repay according to the agreed sanction terms and conditions, and that can be assessed through different models. And actually, banks are using many internal credit risk rating models in order to finalize or just to understand the credit worthiness of the customer.
Okay, you know about CGTMSE?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, CGTMSE or the Credit Guarantee Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises was actually established by Government of India in 2000, as of my knowledge, and it is actually to support the MSME unit who is actually having lack of a guarantor for obtaining the loan. So CGTMSE actually covers the loan amount normally and actually acts as a guarantee support to the loans.
Okay.
And in case of default, CGTMSC actually covers 75% of the loans, and it will be given to bank. And now, actually, as the recent development I have seen, CGTMSC have offered two types of repayment. The first time is actually the 60% of the loan will be first means repaid to bank immediately in case of default, and the next 15% will be returned actually after 3 years seems. Or the new Tasha is actually the 15% slash will be there, and immediately the full amount which is actually covered by CGTMSC will be given to bank immediately right now.
Okay. Currently, you are working in a bank and you are already posted in your state also. So why you want to leave this job?
Sir, actually, to be very frank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, the reputation which it holds, even in a state like Kerala, which it doesn't have number of branches, is very much high. Because Punjab and Sindh Banks, the commitment for the financial inclusion was very much great. And actually, PSB was the first bank which I applied for the job also. So when a chance actually got for the credit officer in PSB, immediately I applied because this will give me an opportunity to work with some of the experienced professionals and expertise my interest in credit, and which will actually help me to grow myself with contributing to bank's positivity also.
Okay, okay. Akhil, we all know that there is no bank is merged with Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Yes.
So many bank is merged, merger is already happened, but the Punjab and Sindh is working very good. So according
Yes.
to you, what are your chances of promotions in this organization?
Sir, I do believe, actually, sir, if we are given the 100% to any organization, the promotion will happen naturally. And actually, by more than a promotion, learning in a positive way, and then actually trying or to aim to grow the highest ladders, it will actually eventually it will happen, is what I am thinking.
You have an idea of branch banking as well as you have currently your profile is?
I'm working as a network governance and MIS team officer.
Okay, okay. So what you are doing day to day?
Sir, right now, that's actually till last month, I was actually in branch and I was doing the normal credit operations. But right now, I'm doing I'm segregating and sorting the data of bank, which will actually eventually help bank to give much more focus in whichever branch is having whichever less. Like that, we are segregating and we are helping branches to overcome that particular area.
Okay, Akhil, what is the difference between loans and advances?
I'm not very much thorough about it, sir.
It's so simple. Loans is for long period of time and advance is for short period of time. Like OD and CC is called advance. OD and CC is advance and rest is loan.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In credit, suppose we will hire you in Punjab and Sindh Bank, then you know what is your work profile?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, sir, the job role of PSP is, but not restricted to, actually accessing the proposals, then actually crediting the appraisal or the appraisal process of the credit, and then actually it also includes like after means once the appraisal is done, then it is included with the I think the loan documentation also is included, like the pre-loan document, then sanctioning of the documents, and then the final post-monitoring session, which actually includes the overview monitoring and checking of the accounts also.
Good, very good. I'm going to ask some question related to digital banking. It is not from this profile, but nowadays so many customers are fraudulent by the unspecific link and different types of OTPs and all. And in IVR also, on the voice of Amitabh Bachchan, he is convincing the people to aware about the fraud. So according to you, you are currently working in a bank. What is the easiest method to aware the customer regarding digital fraud, handle the digital fraud easily, and please be aware of the digital frauds?
Sir, actually, the digital frauds, as Sir said, actually it is being very much rampant right now, and actually it has heightened in such a way that actually even AI is used in such a way that actually it covers the original person's face. So the best thing is actually we can means through a bank. As a banker, I'm saying a bank can actually send official communication through its website or actually through registered email, so that it will not look as a fraud at all. And whenever it gets, actually customers can be asked to call to bank only through the registered website numbers. And actually, because this actually people are calling and then they are saying you call in this number, then to avail the credit card or debit card or whatever, it should be avoided. And simply it should be actually through the registered website of the bank only. And like sir said, this voice of Amitabh Bachchan and that kind of an influence person also can be used. So that means like if we are using a person or like a person like Virat Kohli, so there will be a huge fan base for him. And once he is saying, people may much more actually look into that.
Okay, Akhil, suppose somebody has uh, deposited his and her documents to take a loan, but his proposal, his application is rejected. What is the reason behind that?
Sir, there may be many reasons. The first thing actually we as a banker we do is actually collecting the KYCs and then go for the compliance check as reported by RBI. We usually go for CIBIL, and if the CIBIL score is less, of course the loan cannot be processed at all. And as CIBIL is the credit scoring, and actually we'll get to understand the credit worthiness of the customer on his past records. So pastly, in his past, if he is actually been given a loan dues or actually he have made some NPS, of course the loans may not be passed.
Okay, it's a little bit language barrier for you. You know that its posting is in Kerala or all over India?
It's all over India, sir.
All over India. So it's a little bit language barrier for you because you know English and Tamil. Sorry, your language is Malayalam.
My native language is Malayalam, sir. But the first post in my South Indian bank, I was posted in Guwahati, Assam. Without any language, I have survived there. And then actually I was posted to Bilaspur for another 4 years.
Okay, means आपको हिंदी भी आती है?
आती है sir.
आती है. Okay, good. Basically, there are so many banks, but Punjab and Sindh Bank is little bit small bank. So why you are interested in working as a PS in Punjab and Sindh Bank?
That's what I said, sir. Actually, the Punjab and Sindh Bank was the first bank which I have met with financial inclusion. And actually, I came from Wayanad. Actually, it is a very much backward district. And in Kochi, actually, they had a financial inclusion program in Wayanad. So actually, this was the first bank actually I met with that. Then many other banks we have met, but this was the first bank. So that kind of an affection is there with Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Okay. Nowadays, which are the 2 or 3 major challenges in banking industry?
Sir, according to me, it is actually the major challenges which we are facing is like the digitalization. It may actually end up with a lesser number of employees, is what I think. But again, it is having another positive thinking, like if we are actually giving the best digital services, we may get number of customers also from other banks.
Okay, continue.
Then what I am thinking is, sir, the fluctuation in the money market and all will actually affect the bank's profitability also, maybe in future.
Who is the regulator of money market?
Sir, I think it is RBI.
RBI. Who is the regulator of capital market?
Capital market is regulated by SEBI, sir.
SEBI chairman and RBI governor is?
Sir, I am not sure about the SEBI chairman.
SEBI chairman is after that lady currently is the finance secretary, that name Tuhin Kanta Pandey.
Okay. So, 1 second, sir. Sudhir?
Tuhin, THUIN, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. THUIN, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who is RBI governor?
RBI governor recently it is Sanjay Malhotra.
Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. Okay, who is currently chairman of Punjab and Sindh Bank? Where is the headquarter, tagline, mobile banking app name? Tell me something about Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Sir, PSP's headquarters is situated at Rajendra Place
New
in
Delhi.
New Delhi. And actually, it was, according to my remembrance, it was started by Veer Pahadia, someone, sir. Actually, I'm not remembering
No
exactly.
issue, no issue.
Uh, then,
Who is currently chairman and headquarter tagline?
sir, the PSP tagline. Actually,
Just
I've
go
learned
through
some.
it. Just go through about the Punjab and Sindh Bank because they will ask little bit about this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in this profile, how will you enhance the bank business?
Sir, that's what I'm thinking. Like, actually, since it is a credit manager role, uh, enhancing branch business or bank business is important. But actually, I'll make sure that no fresh NPAs at least will not be given to bank also. So that actually by going through a thorough credit appraisal, and this will actually ensure a robust financial analysis, which will actually make sure that the loan, whichever is being done by me, will be actually giving positive outcome to bank and not actually an NPA, or it will not stop income generating to bank.
Okay. Akhil, some more question from my side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the guarantee that you will stay in this job? Because currently you are leaving your earlier job and you are coming in this bank. So what is the criteria, means, so that you will stay there?
Sir, actually, I'll say I'm from 2016 to 2025. I stayed in my current bank, and actually, bank has supported me very well. I'll not say bank has let me down at all. But actually, in that time, I think that I should shift to some other bank, which will actually again, it will actually increase my chance for career development and all. So if I'm moving to the next bank, I'll try to stick there as long as my values are aligned with. So
Okay.
that's it, sir.
Okay. Okay guys, now I am going to give feedback to my students. It's around about 17 minutes. Okay, so moreover they will ask question related to your current profile and the new profile. So just try to prepare it, your job experience, with working area and all. Okay, my number is 7503235358 for any working, non-working student, for any banking and finance sector and insurance sector. Thanks a lot.